Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the anime coloring edit in CapCut. So first, just import your anime video to CapCut and then go to adjust and follow this settings. So for the brightness, lower it into a -5 and contrast to 10. Saturation, set it into 50. Set the exposure into 15 and the sharpen 100. Then go to highlight and set it into 50 and shadow 10. Temperature, set it 5, and the last one is hue, set it to 5. And now you are done. So here is the result. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching. So don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.